Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Zeta detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zeta account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Identify the key metrics that reflect your current performance. Set clear scaling goals based on your analysis of these metrics. Create a comprehensive plan that outlines your scaling strategy. Explore Zeta's tools designed to support scaling initiatives. Leverage the analytics features to monitor user behavior. Use insights gained from data to refine your strategy. Consider implementing automation to improve efficiency. Expand your product offerings based on customer feedback. Engage with your audience through targeted marketing campaigns. Utilize social media channels to boost brand visibility. Conduct A/B testing to determine the most effective approaches. Collaborate with your team to ensure alignment on goals. Regularly review performance against your established metrics. Make necessary adjustments to your approach as needed. Stay informed about industry trends to remain competitive. Develop partnerships that can enhance your reach. Invest in training for your team to improve skill sets. Monitor customer service response times to maintain satisfaction. Ensure your technology infrastructure can support increased demand. Maintain transparency with stakeholders about your scaling efforts. Document your progress to use as a reference for future scaling. Celebrate key milestones to keep your team motivated. Continuously iterate on your strategies based on results and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.